To show how to do the mass spectrometry fragmentation discussion board assignment, I'm going to use 5 known as an example, and the peaks I'm going to look at are at 142, 100, and 85. I've pasted the 5 known structure twice into Marvin's sketch, and now I'm going to put my electron pairs in. And I'm only going to put a pair of electrons into this structure. The reason for that is because this structure is going to represent my charged molecular ion here, and I need to get another electron in here, a radical. And the way to do that is to first of all select the atom, then go to the atom tool, radical, and we'll choose monovalent. We also need to get this oxygen a charge, and we'll do that again with atom, this time charge, and now +1. Let's put a reaction arrow in here between the two species. For this step, I'm going to put a text box in above the arrow, and probably use a font of about 18 or so, and then just type -E minus, and I want to get this one superscripted. It indicates the charge. This is the first of my 3 species that I need to come up with here. This is the molecular ion, and coming off of this molecular ion, I've got 2 more. I need one at 100 and one at 85. So since I have to come up with 2 species off of this one, I'm going to quickly copy and paste this. And I'm just going to come down here below it. I can see how I can get the 85. Now I'm keeping track of the mass. This is 142, remember. And 142 minus 57 is going to be the 85. And 57, that represents a butyl group. In the discussion assignment, we've got some handy reference material from the University of Colorado, and one of the things that they show is alpha cleavage. Now this is the radical site here, and then this would be the carbon that's alpha to that radical site. And we're going to have cleavage, alpha cleavage of a ketone, and that's going to peel off the 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon butyl group. And we'll go to insert, electron flow. Now these are going to be 1 electron flows, and we'll have one from here into here, and we'll have electron flow from here to here, and then we'll have our last electron flow to there, and that should do it. Okay, well, rather than making you watch me struggle through this, I did go on to come up with the other ion. This would be the ion at 100, and this is the McLafferty rearrangement that's also on that University of Colorado website. I moved the atoms around, I did some rotating of the structure and so forth. The presentation isn't as clear as I would like, but this is actually the best I could do with Marvin's sketch. I'm not sure what to do about these spurious plus signs that come up, and also my 1 electron fishhook arrows aren't quite as clean as I would like them, but this will have to do.